You. Welcome to the 9th standard. I am your Tambe teacher. I will teach you maths first, and in that first unit, set. First we know the definition of the set. Set is the collection of the object is called set. Means we group or combine the many objects combined together are called as the set. For example, bunch of the keys, month in the year, days of the week, flock of the birds, collection of numbers. We know the set of the numbers. First, natural number set n is equal to from 1, 2, 3, 4 ... means these are the natural number, is a set of the natural number. N is the set of natural number. In that one to many numbers are present, it is not countable, therefore we can write here ... Then W is equal to 0. W means whole numbers, means from 0, 1, 2, 3 there are many numbers, is a set of the whole numbers. W later we denote the whole numbers. I means integers. In integers we know the number line. On number line, on right hand side we can write positive number, and on left hand side we write the negative numbers. These numbers are called as the whole numbers, and these numbers also innumerable, means we cannot count. Many numbers are there, therefore we write here ... means here many numbers are there present. Then next, these natural number, whole number and integers, these are the set of the numbers. Then Q is the set of the rational numbers. For example, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 4, 4 upon 3, 4 upon 1. These are the rational numbers. R means real numbers. R is a set of the real numbers. We know the definition of the set and we see the examples of the set. Then listing. First, there are two types of the sets. First type, listing method or roster method. In listing method, how to write the listing method? In that, all elements write in curly bracket. All of you know the curly bracket. How to write the curly bracket? In this type we can write the curly bracket. Each element is written only once and separated by comma. In that set, all elements written in only one time, or only one time we can write down the elements, but and in between the two elements we can take the comma. All elements write in curly bracket. Each element is written only once and separated by comma. For example, A is equal to, in curly bracket, 3, 5, 7, 9. If in that set they use the one number two times, that is here 7 is repeated, then also we write down the 7 only one times in the bracket. In this type we can write, or here not important the serial numbers or serially write down. Here also we can write set A is equal to 7, 3, 5, 9. All elements are present is most important. No any numbers we remove from that set, or no any number we can add double. Upon we cannot add the those number double form. Then second method, rule method or the set builder form. In that method, we do not write the list of the elements. For example, by listing method मध्ये आपण जे नंबर्स ऍड केले तसे रूल्स मेथड मध्ये ऍड करायचे नाही. We do not write the list of the elements, but write the general elements using the variable followed by a vertical line. In that we can write the variable, that is x oblique x, and in that we can write the vertical line, or it is also called as a column, and write the property of the variable. Property means these numbers are natural number, these numbers are whole number, these numbers are integers. In this type we can write. For example, given here, x is equal to x colon x or x oblique x. This sign indicates epsilon. This sign is called as the colon. This sign called as belong to, means चा घटक असणे. इप्सिलॉन x colon x epsilon n means natural number. N means natural numbers. X means numbers which present in that number means greater than 1 and less than 10. X number means the numbers which present in set A. X means numbers present in set A, means those numbers which are greater than 1 and less than 10. These numbers are present in set A, means 1 to 10 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But this form is called as the roster form, and this form is called as the set method or the set builder form. Rule method. Here we see how to convert the roster method into the rule method, and how to convert the rule method into roster method. Here first example, in set builder form, x oblique x is a letter of the word division. Division या लेटरचे वर्ड्स आहेत या सेट मध्ये, सेट ए मध्ये. Then this set we can write in roster method. How to write down all letters D, I, V. I here one time we write, therefore we here cannot write. Then S, O and N. Here all letters are present. We cannot repeat the one number 2 times or 3 times. Only one time one I is written down. It is the roster method. And in between the 2 letters we take the comma. It is called as the roster method. Then in roster method they use the example in curly bracket A, E, I, O, U. We know, all of you know, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels in the English letter. Are vowels in English letter. These vowels are converted into the roster or the rule method. We convert it. How to? In this type we can write x oblique x is a, directly write down here, vowels in English. Vowels in English. Then next third example, here they use 1 to 5 numbers cubes. 2 cube, 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 64 and 5 125. And these cubes take in curly bracket or in roster form. This we can write in rule method. How to write? First we can write here x oblique x or x colon x. X is equal to n. N means number, and these numbers are natural numbers. These numbers epsilon n means these numbers are natural numbers. And which numbers? 1 to 5 means n is greater than 1 or equal to and less than 5. जे नॅचरल नंबर्स आहेत ते 1 पेक्षा जास्त आहेत आणि 5 पेक्षा कमी आहेत. Therefore we can write n is less than 1, greater than 1 and less than 5. In this type we can write this in rule method or set builder form. Then next example they use in rule method, set of the even numbers. All of you know even number, odd numbers we see in previous standard. Here even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ... means many even numbers are there. Therefore, we can here take ... or innumerable numbers. Therefore, we write down the set D is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10. In this type, examples are given in the practice set 1.1. Convert the roster form into the rule method or rule method into the roster method. Write down these examples in notebook and also solve the practice set 1.1 and take the notebook photo on the WhatsApp group. If any problem, then ask me on WhatsApp group.